Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I take this unfinished wood and turn it into a Christmas gnome. From the Dollar Tree, you're going to want to pick up this unfinished wood that looks like Santa Claus. You're going to start by popping off the nose. Make sure when you're doing it really carefully. I'm using this flat knife to get it off. It was a little bit difficult, but eventually it popped right off. Now the mustache is really hard, or at least it was on my particular wood piece that I got. It was really stuck on there super good. It literally took me like 10 to 15 minutes just to get it off. I just kept thinking whatever glue they used, it was really good glue, and you'll see here in a second I end up using sandpaper to sand it down because I just could not get it off.
Figure it out, don't we? Yeah.
For this next step, you're just going to start painting your gnome. I decided to stick with the traditional look of like the Nordic gnome or like the Christmas gnome, and I feel like those are usually white and red and those types of colors. So I decided to go ahead and paint his hat red, and I'm going to do the detailing in the white you'll see here in just a little bit. But I was kind of unsure of whether I wanted to give him a pom-pom or not, but looking at a lot of pictures of gnomes, they don't really have pom-poms on the end of their hats, so I do end up painting that red as well. For the base of the beard, I decided to go ahead and go with a white color. I'm also going to be using a couple different shades of gray that I mixed up on my own. I think it turned out really well. The contrast between the colors were pretty good, but the base is going to be white, and then I'm going to end up going over it with a few of the gray colors, and then doing a little bit of dry brushing with the white again. You'll see me do that more towards the end of the beard.
But then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby. It's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
For the detailing on the hat, I decided to go ahead and just do little white X's, kind of as a pattern, but also to make it kind of look like maybe it's some stitching. It was really an easy pattern to do, and I think it turned out really cute.
Kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
At this point, just to add a little bit more depth to my art piece, I'm going to go ahead and use some white dry brushing around the outside, and I end up using a little bit of the dry brushing back into the beard here in a second as well. And the last step is going to be to add this nose to it. I did end up painting it with a couple different layers of the beige paint, and then I'm doing a little bit of the dry brushing around the outside as well as giving it a little bit of a shine look.
66 and we keep on driving, we just do what we wanna do. Yeah. No, nothing's...
Using my hot glue gun, I'm just going to apply some hot glue to the back side, and then I'm going to stick it at the base of the hat. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye!